bounce house. We'll see. I don't know. You guys been here for a while.
We can go in and out.
Look at Vivian. Renita!
Noah.
No cheese!
I'm the first one in line.
Zane! Zane! Zane!
So worried about the one that can't ride, Lindy.
Which one was that?
Over there, tied up.
Oh. Don't you...
Hold on, sweetie.
They're taking a break. They deserve breaks too.
They go fast, don't they?
It's break time. Zane! Cheese! Anybody gonna say cheese? No? Only people I don't know. Say cheese! Cheese! Vivian!
Hey! Oh my!
You might have to help me, but not me.
Like that? You're fine? Thanks. Let me see what that reason like
Are you so excited? Hey!
He's very here out here. Yeah, but for the way he is, he holds himself together very well.
Sing your song!
Then the next time I go to steer comes out here, and when you want to compare a muscle to muscle, the steer doesn't have maybe quite the muscle that the rest of them do, but at the same time, he's covered in he's finished growing.
Don't touch him!
The steer certainly has a lot of weight and a lot of power.
What do they got? What is it? It's a ball, I think.
Ball?
Yeah. Come on, guys. Look, stay right there.
Now we'll pick our champion.
Say hi, Moo.
Steer, and then we'll do our grand champion, and then we need our club group of 5 to start showing up outside the show ring.
Watch out. Watch out, Renita. Let's go look. Come on. What do you think, guys? Renita. Hi. I think he's talking to you. Don't let him bite you or nothing. Are you kissing him? What are you doing? Don't touch him. Careful. Oh. It's okay. Let's walk over to the chickens. clothes on. Hey. Be careful, I don't want you to get bit on accident, honey. I don't know, okay? Alright, come on. Look, Zane's already at the chickens. Alright. Don't stick your fingers in. Because chickens can carry. That one got some eggs in there?
Chickens can what?
They can sometimes carry diseases. Alright, come on. Oh, this one's talking to us. Look at that little goat over there. Ducks? Oh, look.
Where's the ducks?
Ooh. You hear that rooster? Turkeys. Look, there's turkeys. All right, Renita, come on.
Turkey now, they will scratch you.
Look at these super big birds. Don't. Oh, what's that? That looks like. Oh, look, first place.
How's he first place?
I don't really know.